You've booked the balcony, you've picked your drink package, and you are ready for your next cruise. But let me tell you, if you don't pack the right gear, that floating paradise can quickly turn into a floating headache. I'm talking tangled cords, clothes everywhere, and just not enough space. Forget the 100-item packing lists. Today, I'm sharing my 10 non-negotiable Amazon must-haves that solve your biggest cruise ship headaches. These items come with me on every cruise, and you will definitely want to stick around for my last item. It's a tiny gadget that has become an absolute travel game changer. So let's dive in. Hi, I'm Anne from WanderingHewitts. I hope you find the items that we are showcasing in this video helpful for your next cruise. We're going to put links below in the comments so you can find all of these items, and they're all available on Amazon.com. My first item are these little magnetic hooks. These things are mighty, but they are amazing. Cruise cabins have very limited space, especially counter space. You need a place to hang wet swimsuits, lanyards, bags, and so on. And our first essential are these amazing magnetic hooks. Your cabin walls and ceiling are metal, not wood. These hooks stick to any vertical surface with the power of a small donkey. You can hang towels, your backpack, hats, even tomorrow's outfit to keep it wrinkle-free. Say goodbye to piles of clothes and hello to spacious 180 square feet. Next up, a charging station. Many cruise ships, especially the older ones, have 2, maybe 3 outlets in the entire cabin. And if you have 4 devices that you need to charge, you're going to have to find another way. Most cruise lines ban traditional surge protector power strips, but this one that you can find on Amazon is cruise approved because it is non-surge. This one has multiple outlets and critically, those USB ports so you can charge your phone, camera, tablet, whatever, without having to hunt for that 3rd outlet behind the mini fridge. Now, recently, Royal Caribbean came out and said they're not going to allow these either. Instead, you can get a small block. Now, this one is also a European adapter, so you can plug it into that European outlet that is found on most cruise ships, and it's got the USB chargers on the bottom. This one's got 4. So you can charge all of your items conveniently without a whole lot of fuss. All right, our next product. I call this the fumble-proof solution. Your cruise card is your lifeblood. You're going to need to show it like 50 times a day. And this lanyard and ID holder keeps your information front and center. You don't have to worry about fumbling around in your pockets to find your key card. Plus, this thing is great because the clip allows you to easily unhook your card and give it to the bartender or whomever might need your card. We never go anywhere without these lanyards when we're cruising. You'll see them on our videos because we love them so much. It's a cheap, easy way to keep yourself organized. All right, this next cheap hack saves a huge headache. Those paper tags that the cruise line sends you for your luggage are flimsy and can tear off the second a baggage handler touches them. Before you even step foot on the ship, protect your bags with these cruise luggage tag holders. You slip the paper inside the plastic cover and it is durable and this little loop attaches to your luggage. It helps to make sure that your items arrive safely at your stateroom. All right, let's tackle the issue of cabin climate control with this portable travel fan. If you've ever felt like your stateroom is just really stuffy, you crank the thermostat down, but the air barely moves, this compact, powerful fan provides that perfect personal breeze right where you need it. If you're a hot sleeper or just need a little white noise from air movement, this is your solution. It's tiny, easy to pack, and guarantees you won't wake up sweating just because the ship's AC is fighting a losing battle. I have like 3 of these. They're one of my favorite Amazon purchases, and it goes with me on every cruise. Next up, the ultimate freedom gadget, a compact, portable phone charger. Listen, you're off the ship, exploring a gorgeous Caribbean port. You're taking photos, using the map app, and suddenly you see that dreaded red battery icon. Total vacation panic, right? This little powerhouse easily fits in your pocket or a day bag, and it quickly gives your phone multiple full charges. So you can keep snapping those souvenir photos and stay connected with your group, as well as safely navigate your way back to the ship on time. It's essential for those long port days. All you do is attach it to the bottom of the phone, and you can keep using the phone while it charges. We also have like 3 or 4 of these. I use them all the time. They're great and one of the best money I've ever spent. One key thing you're going to have to consider when you're in the Caribbean especially is you need to stay hydrated. And I don't know if you're like me, but I also like my drinks really cold. The cups on the cruise ship are often tiny, but this insulated tumbler holds a proper amount of liquid and keeps the drinks cold for hours. You can fill it up with water, lemonade, a mixed drink, and enjoy a larger, cooler drink that lasts for hours. It's also a great way to reduce the plastic on the ship. They are amazing both on port and on ship. I'd pick up a few. All right, cruise cabins can be storage nightmares. The small closets, the tiny dresser drawers are just usually not enough for all your toiletries, shoes, accessories, and small items that tend to clutter up the counter. And sometimes you even lose your stuff. This over-the-door hanging organizer solves this problem. This simple organizer, you can hang it on the back of your bathroom door, the closet door, or you can use your hooks to hang it pretty much anywhere around your cabin. But it creates a wall of storage instantly. But here's the hack. Don't just put shoes in it. We use these pockets for sunglasses, sunscreen, charging cords, hair accessories, toiletries, and anything else that can clutter up your nightstand. It keeps all of those things organized and out of sight, maximizing your floor space and making your small cabin feel manageable. It's pure genius. And look how small it is when you roll it up. My next item solves a true cruise ship comedy of errors, the rogue towel. You finally find that perfect chair. You settle on in, and the moment a ship breeze rolls by, your towel is flapping away like a distressed flag. These cute but mighty beach towel clips solve that problem instantly. You clamp your towel to the chair and it stays put. Period. That's it. It's a tiny investment that guarantees you can relax without chasing your linens around the deck every 5 minutes. Plus, they work great for little hacks, like keeping the curtains closed for sleeping and keeping wet clothes in place while they dry. Don't be a towel chaser. Get the clips. Our last item is a travel game changer. Noisy neighbors, hallway chatter, the general sounds of a ship can make it really hard to sleep. This tiny gadget is the secret to getting a great night's sleep on your cruise. It's a travel white noise machine. Stateroom walls are notoriously thin, and nothing ruins a perfect sea day like being woken up at 3 o'clock in the morning by a large group coming back to their cabin. This little machine, the size of an egg, drowns out all that noise, instead leaving calming sounds. It's small, USB powered, and guarantees a quiet night rest so you can tackle that buffet line completely refreshed. I got this about a year ago, and it is one of my absolute necessities that goes with me every time I travel. So there you have it, 10 Amazon items that are tiny in price, but huge in problem-solving power. These are the tools that separate the cruise veterans from the first-timers. Now, I've dropped the links to all 10 of these essentials right down in the description below, so you can easily grab them from Amazon before your next sailing. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite cruise hack item? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel tips. Thanks for watching and happy cruising!